Hey everybody, it's your girl Shelly over here at Eat to Live Strong Plus More. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you. And today I'm going to show you how I use Taco Tuesday in a more healthier way, making a taco salad that is plant-based and vegan. I will be using walnuts as the meat replacement. Sit back, relax, and let's get started. I started out with a trio of bell peppers, red onions, and I call them purple onions, but we know the reasoning why. So let's get started. We're going to be using olive oil to saute these beautiful veggies. So we're going to get this a good sauteing here. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, forgot to tell you, I have garlic in here as well. Garlic is another item in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get that sauteed. And then I'll take you over to the blender while I'm pulsating the walnuts. So and I'll keep an eye on this so it won't burn. Be right there. So now I'm going to go ahead and saute them all very well. Meanwhile, and I keep a batch of this chopped up too for like my omelets in the morning, my chickpea omelets or my just egg omelets, or just for anything I'm making. I always have this already chopped up so it's easy to go. You know, it's all about convenience, right? That's why we go to fast food restaurants. Well, if you do it at home, meal prepping and all that, you don't have to worry about it. Now, for walnuts or pecans, I have to set them in this refrigerator overnight and soak in water. But before I do so, I make sure that I rinse them well in the kitchen sink with water and apple cider vinegar with the mother, just a splash, to get off any impurities, any debris, or contamination. Now for the Vitamix, I have this set at maybe 4. I have to gauge it just to see how well it's chopping, because remember, this is how I fool my family into eating more plant-based items. So I chop the walnuts at maybe a 4 speed, chop it very, very fine and tiny, and then I will go ahead and add portobello mushrooms to the mix, so it gives it that texture that's gonna bind together, but it also gives the texture of ground beef or even ground turkey. Just want to make sure you get all the as small as pieces as you can, because that's how I fool my family, because they can feel the crunchiness. So I have to make sure I chop it up really, really fine. So these are very tender and ready to go over into the mixture. I got the walnuts pulsated finely, so we're going to go ahead and get that started. With the sauteed veggies to the side, I'm going to prepare another skillet on medium heat with avocado oil. I'm going to add to that the mixture of the portobello mushrooms and the walnuts. And that's going to stay on the stovetop, constantly stirring them for about 20 to 30 minutes. You know the texture of what you're looking for. So now I got it in. That's going to look like ground turkey, actually. So I got it in. I'm going to let it soften up just a little, and then I'll put some more seasonings in, and I'll just keep it cooking slowly. Don't have it up too high because you don't want to burn it. And then we'll go ahead and get ready to put the seasonings and all that other stuff in. So I'll let it cook for a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm going to put some mushrooms in this mixture too, because it softens up the walnuts. It gives it a different texture. So we're going to put that over in here. Don't judge me. This is my food. My hands are clean. And then I will go ahead and put some seasonings in here. So bear with me and I'll be right back. I'm going to keep studying mixing this up, and I'll be right back. So we've got Himalayan salt with garlic. So that takes care of extra garlic. We got some paprika. So it ain't gonna come up. You guys have the paprika and cumin. So that'll start the seasoning process, and then I'll add more seasonings, such as the taco seasoning. But this is the base that I use for all my different types of meals, so that's why I'm not putting the taco seasoning in here as of yet. So this has been simmering for about 45 minutes just to get it tender, and I added more mushrooms. So now all I'm going to do is add over in here my vegetables. that I sauteed earlier. So we'll go ahead and get that in. It's time to add the veggies. And then we're going to go ahead and get this assembled and ready to go. So I'll catch you guys on in a little bit. And see, I've added the vegetables in it. It's been sauteing for about 45 minutes, so it's nice and tender. And I'm going to go ahead and get my salad ready, and I'll see you guys back at the table. And so, guys, I added an additional ingredient in here, which was nutritional yeast flakes, because this is going to be in this place of cheese. I use nutritional yeast. So that's what's going to go into this dish as well. And I'll put, again, at the bottom of the description box, I'll have all of the actual ingredients that I put in this deliciousness. Now that everything is seasoned well, tenderized, I'm going to go ahead and strain the mixture to get all the oil off. And I'm going to prepare the salad, and you'll see the finished product. The cherry tomatoes, the bell peppers, the red onions, and the cucumbers are all from my garden. This beautiful mixture includes, from my garden, the lettuce. We have jalapeno peppers, black beans, craisins, and avocado. As I always say, I love, love, love color, and this salad has lots of color, which is flavorful and nutritious. And now you have it, this delicious salad with vegetables, more protein, fruit. It is loaded with antioxidants, and it is so healthy for the body. And voila! Thank you so much for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out, because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye for now. Bon appetit.